Hi, everyone. My name is Olivia. I am very happy to talk to you today. I want to share something special about my life. The topic is my favorite food. My favorite food is pizza. I have loved pizza since I was a child. I still remember my first slice of pizza. I was 8 years old at that time. My parents took me to a small pizza shop near our house. The shop was simple but very warm and friendly. The smell of fresh bread and cheese filled the air. I felt hungry as soon as I entered. We ordered one large cheese pizza. I watched the cook put it in the oven. I was very excited and could not sit still. After some time, the pizza came to our table. The cheese was melting and bubbling. The crust looked golden and crispy. I took my first bite very carefully. The taste was amazing and full of flavor. The cheese was soft and creamy. The sauce was sweet and a little tangy. I smiled and looked at my parents. They laughed because they saw my happy face. From that day, pizza became my favorite food. I like many types of pizza now. Sometimes I choose pepperoni pizza. Sometimes I order vegetable pizza. I also enjoy chicken pizza with extra cheese. On weekends, I often eat pizza with my friends. We usually meet at a local restaurant. We talk about our work and daily life. Pizza makes our time together more fun. We share stories while sharing slices. I like how pizza brings people together. It is not just food for me. It is a happy memory. I also learned how to make pizza at home. During the pandemic, I had more free time, so I decided to try cooking. At first, my pizza did not look good. The crust was too hard. The cheese was not enough, but I did not give up. I watched some cooking videos online. I read simple recipes. Then I tried again. This time it was much better. My family tasted it and liked it. I felt proud of myself. Now I make homemade pizza once a month. I enjoy choosing fresh ingredients. I buy tomatoes, onions, and bell peppers. I also get fresh mozzarella cheese. I love cutting vegetables in my kitchen. It makes me feel relaxed. When the pizza bakes, my house smells wonderful. My younger sister always comes to the kitchen. She asks, "Is it ready?" I smile and tell her to wait. Waiting makes the pizza taste even better. When it is finally ready, we sit together at the table. We thank God for the food. Then we start eating happily. I like to add chili flakes on my slice. My sister prefers ketchup. My mother likes extra vegetables. Everyone has a different style. That is what makes it fun. Pizza is also my comfort food. When I feel sad, I order a small pizza. It makes my mood better. When I achieve something, I celebrate with pizza. Last year, I got a promotion at work. I invited my friends for a pizza party. We laughed and took many pictures. That day was very special to me. Some people say pizza is not very healthy. I understand their point, so I try to eat it in balance. I also add healthy toppings. I believe food should make us happy. Pizza gives me both taste and joy. I have tried pizza in different cities. Each place has a unique flavor. Some pizzas are thin and crispy. Some are thick and soft. I enjoy trying new styles, but simple cheese pizza is still my favorite. It reminds me of my childhood. It reminds me of my family time. It reminds me of simple happiness. Food is connected to our memories. That is why my favorite food is very special to me. Maybe you also have a favorite food. It could be something sweet or spicy. I think everyone has a food that makes them smile. For me, that food will always be pizza. Thank you for listening to my story about my favorite food.